Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
So dear students, in this section let us discuss division of algebraic expressions. In the chapter algebraic expression you learn how to add, subtract or multiply an algebraic expression with other algebraic expression. Here we will discuss how to divide an algebraic expression by an algebraic expression. So all of you know division is the reverse process of multiplication. As we know that 5 into 8 is equal to 40. So this is the multiplication. So reversely 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8, or 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. So in case of algebraic expression also, if we will multiply 2x multiplied with 3x square, so we will got 3x cube. So this is the multiplication of algebraic expression. So in reversely 6x cube divided by 2x, we will get 3x square, and 6x cube divided by 3x square, we will get 2x. Or for another example, let us take 5x whole into x plus 2 is equal to 5x square plus 10x. Reversely, if we will divide 5x square plus 10x divided by 5x, we will get x plus 2. Or if we will divide 5x square plus 10x by x plus 2, we will get 5x. So these are the examples of division. So let us discuss how to divide a monomial with a monomial. So let us discuss division of a monomial by another monomial. So let us take two monomials, 6x cube and 2x. So we have to divide 6x cube by 2x. So first we have to factorize these two monomials into irreducible form. So 6x cube is equal to 2 into 3 into x into x into x, and 2x can be factorized as 2 into x. Then we will divide 6x cube by 2x is equal to 2 into 3 into x into x into x divided by 2 into x. So here 2 cancel and 1x is cancelled. So answer is 3 into x into x. So this is equal to 3x square. As we are dividing a number by another number, that is 77 by 7. What we are doing? 77 is 11 into 7 divided by 7. So answer is 11. So by using this method, we will divide a monomial by another monomial. So let us solve this example. Do the following divisions. First one is minus 20x to the power 4 divided by 10x square. So we have to factorize each monomial into irreducible form. So first solution, bit 1. So minus 20x to the power 4 can be factorized as minus 2 into 2 into 5 into x into x into x into x, and 10x square can be factorized as 2 into 5 into x into x. So minus 20 x to the power 4 divided by 10x square is equal to minus 2 into 2 into 5 into x into x into x into x divided by 2 into 5 into x into x. So the answer will be minus 2x square. So this is the division of a monomial by another monomial. Next, 7x square y square z square divided by 14xyz. So first we have to factorize each monomial into its irreducible form. So 7x square y square z square is equal to 7 multiplied with x multiplied with x multiplied with y multiplied with y z multiplied with z. Then 14xyz is equal to 2 into 7 into x into y into z. So this implies 7x square y square z square divided by 14xyz is equal to 7 into x into x into y into y into z divided by 2 into 7 into x into y into z. So this is equal to, so here 7 by 7 is 1 and x y z. So x square y square z square. So 1, the power of x will be 1, the power of y will be 1 and power of z will be 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2 x y z. So in this way we can divide a monomial by another monomial by factorize each monomial into its irreducible form.